It's a little chilly today, not gonna lie. We're coated. We're coated up here in Florida. It's a little chilly. Boy, I'm like totally into that. Oh, that's kind of neat. I didn't realize they had the bathrooms painted like birds and.
Oh, that is very nice.
Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. I didn't notice that before. Well, cool. I noticed it now. So we already have been ripping, but unfortunately, one of those locations again. People have decided to set up or rent the pavilion, so even though we wanted to fly in the pavilion, we can't really do that. We started off over there, got a couple flights in, but now we're over here in this big open area. There's nothing to mess with us. Even though we don't get as many trees, we can still rip around here and have some fun.
Micros will be fun.
So out here tearing it up. Ken managed to make it, man. I'm rooted for everybody that was. I actually sent him over to your channel. Did you get anybody? I was gonna say. You know, we only had a couple people in that stream, so... Oh, no!
Oh, shit.
Wow, bro, that's way up there.
We'll get it.
Alright, well, this will be fun. This is part of flying FPV, so that sucks. That was interesting. Right after he showed up, we're going to be digging a quad out of a tree. So, holy cow. Alright, well, we'll see you guys in a sec. This is legit what we've resorted to. This is amazing. Ken should have gone to the Olympics. He's killing it right now. Javelin. Ugh. Oh my god. Throttle all the way down. There you go. Now push the arm switch up, then back down. There you go. And hold up, you're an acro. There you go. Go ahead, give her enough to get up. There you go. And then you'll learn the throttle as you go. That's part of it. Yep, kill it. Ah, guess who's up and flying? Yes, sir. Didn't take him long. He is buzzing this whole area. Screaming around here with the tiny hawk. Nice. That's what we call whoop stumble. That's when you try to turn too fast, it stumbles on itself.
Damn.
Alright, Ken is now on 2S on the Mobula for stabilized. He's in the air, he's ripping around the field. He's not doing too bad. Now remember, you got a building right next to you, so it's going to cut signal you go beyond that building. There we go. Yep, he's doing good, man. There we go. He's inverted, dude. Almost. The whole front is pitched forward.
Dude, he's blowing up the trees.
The whole front is pointed at the ground. Good job, Ken. Excellent, man. Because when he showed up today, all he was doing was crashing. Now the dude's out here just ripping it. Absolutely ripping it.
I mean, he's getting up to 80% throttle ranges.
Yep.
These trees.
Oh damn.
He likes to take chances.
This is why I get caught in trees, dude.
So we're gonna lose another one?
Yeah, by the way, guys, that thing is still stuck up in the tree, unfortunately.
Oh, nice.
I feel bad for B. This is his first time flying it, too.
Oh! Just rip a power loop through those trees, bud.
Oh!
Oh!
Yo, no, it's not stuck in a tree, is it?
Nope.
Oh,
Oh no, he got it.
yeah, it came down. Okay.
I'm trying to
Turtle mode.
get out of there, dude, but
Turtle mode.
that's too high.
Yep. Damn. So what do you think so far?
Pretty fun, man.
Yeah.
It's a lot more fun than flying GPS drones.
Yeah. The fun
It's
is
like playing a video game constantly.
the fun is when you get good enough to actually pull both of them together. When you start flying with GoPros and being able to get the footage you want with wow, these two were not kidding.
It's like
They legitimately said they were going to beat the crap out of each other with sticks. I hope they really hit the shit out of each other.
Challenge was given and lawfully accepted. It has begun. Let no one interfere.
Awesome.
Ken is getting ready to head out, man. Thanks for coming out, bro. Thanks for hanging with us for the day.
Yeah, for sure.
I think he's probably
He
going to buy
rescued my
something.
drone, so I owe him dinner.
He does owe him dinner.
So, just for the record, I owe him dinner. I don't usually pay people stuff I owe them. Just for the record.
There you go. Yeah, we still got some batteries to
Hey, no
kill.
worries, man. Thanks for-
So
thanks
he's
for,
heading home, man. We're
choosing
going
me, man.
to edit some
You owe you
footage
dinner.
and go from there. So thanks for stopping out, bro.
Anytime you want it.
All right.
Hungry?
Someone's not counting. 6.